How to request roadside assistant in the GEICO Mobile app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To request roadside assistant in the GEICO Mobile app, you can go to the website. And what does GEICO Emergency Roadside Service cover? It will cover towing to the nearest repair facility, where the repairs can be made, battery jump starts, tire changes when you have a functioning spare, lockout service, up to $100 if you lock your car keys in your vehicle, fuel delivery to get you help to a gas station, and if you want roadside assistant in the app, you can simply download the app. After you download the app, you need to log into your account. You can simply log into your account. There, you'll find roadside assistant in the top. You can simply click on it and request roadside assistant. And this is how to request roadside assistant in the GEICO mobile app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.